Hi everybody, it's Jessica the Dollhouse Curator and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So today I am so excited because I have recently found the Foodie brand Series 2 surprise packages at my local CVS and they were $9.99, which to tell the truth, honestly, I was a little bit shocked that they were $9.99 because usually at CVS, if I'm finding items like this, they're a little bit more expensive. So I have gotten so far about six, I think, of these, and I have really enjoyed them. I love the way they have upgraded the series for this one, the new brands that they've added in. But I wanted to share this with you. So we are going to unbox two of these today. And I'm super excited, and we're going to see what all we get. So I'm going to pause for a minute so I can get all set up, and we will be ready to start back. Give me just a second. All right, y'all, we are back. Oh my goodness, when I tell you, you need to have, I recommend getting you a box cutter or I've seen people use like little cuticle pushers or whatever, but get something because these plastics coming off of here is still tedious. And I literally can't get these open sometimes, so I use my teeth and I'm like, all right, everybody, we are back. We have both of our surprise packages open, and we're going to be opening the rest of the stuff here in a second. I do want to point out that just like with the other mini brands that we're used to, there are dates on these. They are on actually on the packaging, and they are on the surprise package itself. So the date on these is 3/28 of 23. Usually when I buy these, I do try to get like different dates if I can. But since they are brand new and I found these at CVS, they had two big boxes, but all of them had the same exact date. So this is what I've been working off of and I'm super excited. And these also, Foodie Mini Brands was the first one to come out where it is just the two sides. And actually, I think Foodie Mini Brands and Mini Fashions actually were the first ones to come out that didn't include the little orange slices. You just get a ball that you can pop open. So I'm about to redirect my camera so that we can get these open and we can see what we got in this batch. Alrighty, so there we go. So we're going to start with this one. Now, the collector's guide, I am going to just kind of scroll through a little bit for you so that you can see it. I'm not going to go over each little thing that's in here. They do have some really fun stuff. And like I said, I have gotten a few of these already. And I've been really surprised and very impressed with what I've gotten so far. But also, there are a couple of things that I would love to have that I have not gotten so far. And that is why we picked up a couple of more today. And then we see there are the new ones that are getting ready to come out or the current ones that are already out. So there's your collector's guide. So let's get started. We have our 5 packages. We also know that some of these do come with scents. And actually did get one that was scented in the other balls that I've already gotten and opened. And if they're scented, they do come in a different package. So I automatically know I don't have anything scented here because they're all the same kind of packaging. But maybe we'll get something scented in the next ball so that you all can see. Let me see if I can get you a little closer. There we go. Okay, so our very first package is this one, and let me take a look at the collector's guide. This is why it's always good to have a collector's guide near you if you don't have a lot of these restaurants around you in your town and don't actually know what these are, and I don't. So this is a Jamba Vanilla Blue Sky Smoothie Bowl. So that is super cute. So I guess it's smoothie and fruit. So that's cute for the first one. Let's see what we have in the second one. And in this one, oh yay, we got a smoothie. So let me check my guide and see which smoothie it is. Oh my goodness. This is our Jamba Gotcha Matcha with Sweet Cloud Whip smoothie. So that's actually really adorable, to tell the truth. I like that one. So that is our second one from the Jamba series. And then next we have, oh, we have a little pizza. So I believe this is the personal pan pizza. It is adorably small. It's pepperoni and they do come out. I love that about this series. I will say you can take out the ones in the first series as well, but you do run the risk of breaking your little miniature if you do, but I use them for food. So unfortunately, yeah, I broke a few of mine. And I have found that I can get some of these out of the box as well, like the hamburgers and stuff. And they are not easier to get out, but I don't feel like I'm breaking it as much with the way that they put these in. All right, so package number 4. And oh, wait a minute, what? Okay, so I'm confused because this is moving. Oh my goodness, this is actually moving, y'all. Do y'all see that? So this is a Kung Fu tea. And I think this is the ultra rare Kung Fu milk tea. Oh my goodness. And I definitely see why it is ultra rare. Like it is seriously moving. The bobas move, everything. This is amazing. This is very high quality, y'all. Oh my goodness. I am shocked. I'm super glad I went back and got some more. And for our last one in this package, that is like really cool, seriously. But for our last one in this package, and we have the ramen bowl. So I got this one in one of the other ones that I got. So this is the only duplicate that I've received from what I've already opened in this ball. So that is super cool. So this is, yes, I called it the ramen bowl. Let me get the real name of what this is. This is the Kura Tankosuka ramen noodles. Yeah, I'm not going to try to say it because I don't want to be rude to another culture and let my southern slip in and be saying the wrong word. So this is pretty much a ramen bowl. So there you go. So that is it for our very first Foodie Mini Brand surprise package for this time. And I think if I had to pick a favorite, it would definitely be this Kung Fu milk tea. I love this. I did not expect this. And y'all can see I did not expect this to be moving around and to be liquid. So yeah, that is really cool. So that would be my favorite. So let's go with the next package. There you go. So we don't have any Senate ones in this one. And again, Senate ones come in a different package. It is a metallic looking package, so I can keep the smells in. So which one do we want open for? Let's go with this one because this seems like super small. And we got I was going to say a pepperoni pizza. I don't know it's pepperoni. We got a Pizza Hut pizza. And when we open it up, we got a Hawaiian. This is my absolute favorite kind of pizza, y'all. I love Hawaiian pizza. It is something about it that just works really well for me. So this is super exciting to be able to get the Hawaiian pizza with that one. I'll put that right there. This one feels really big. We're just going to open it. It's like huge. Or I thought it was huge. No, it's not. This is from Jack in the Box, and this is let me find it. Oh my goodness. This one is the Jack in the Box Double Jack. So these are the ones that I was talking about that these do not easily come out of the packaging, but you can get them out of the packaging, and I've taken some of mine out already so that I can use them just as dollhouse food without the packaging. But again, if you do run the risk of trying to take this out, do it at your own risk, as you may ruin your miniature forever. Alrighty, so our next package is going to be this one, and let's see what we got. We got the Auntie M's pretzel dog, I believe this is. Let me make sure. Auntie M Pretzels dog. Yes, it is. I don't even know if I had that on camera because I was trying to look at the thing. So this is the Auntie M Pretzel dog. I really like this one. I think this is one of the cutest and fully painted all the way around. I can see the dog using this. and it's a good size for the dollhouse. So that is item number 3. Next, we'll go with this one. This one feels like a coin. And so it is. I got the Bitcoin, which I think is back here with the money. So yes, this is number, it just says number 97, but that's what it looks like. And then our final thing in this package, final. Oh, we got the Jack in the Box tacos. Yes, I was really hoping I was going to get this one because I love the little look of the tacos. It won't come out. Why won't you come out? Okay, there we go. So I love the look of these little tacos. I like the fact that it seems like you get 2 in each little package because, I mean, who just eats one taco? I don't. So I love the fact that you get 2. I think these are super cute and adorable. And this has been a really fun and good haul for the Foodie mini brands. So did I get what I was hoping to get? So to tell the truth, y'all, yes and no. I'm always hoping for new items when I'm looking at these because, of course, I don't mind duplicates, but I don't want a lot of duplicates of everything. So I didn't get many duplicates. So of all of the things that I received today, the only 2 things that are a duplicate is this Jack in the Box, Double Jack, and then the ramen. So everything else is new. So that's fun. I love the fact that I got this ultra rare and it moves. I definitely see why this is ultra rare. This is cool. I really do like this one. And then super excited that I got my Hawaiian pizza. And then not only the Hawaiian pizza, but this is also my first little personal pan pizza. So I thought that was super fun as well. So when I first decided to go back and get 2 more of these to do an unboxing, I wanted to get some more drinks, which I did. I did want to see if I could find a frozen Moments, but I didn't. And I have been looking for the pizza bag. I would love to have that. But of everything that I picked out this time that I got in the surprise balls that we were able to open together, I am super excited about these. I think they are really fun and adorable to add to your dollhouse. So let me bring it back up here for a second. I'm going to pause it again because I'm going to go and get a couple of the ones that I have already opened and received and show you like how I got them. I'm not going to show you how I got them out of the box, but I'm going to show you that you can get them out of their box. So just a second. All right, y'all, I am back. So I went to my dollhouse and I pulled out a couple of the Foodie items that I have received over the last, in my last haul that I did so that I can show you that these can come out of the packaging that they are in and some of the risks that you take if you do take them out of the packaging. So what I have here, see if I can get this a bit closer. There we go. Okay, so what I have here is this is the Jack in the Box Double Jack. This is the same one as this. So I used just some leverage. You got to get something to kind of give you a little bit of leverage to get in there. And I was able to go into, get right up to the little bottom and pop it out. So this is how it looks out of the packaging. You see that is the exact same burger. And I took it out the packaging, and under the bottom there is a little hole that this kind of sits on top of. So if I choose to put it back in the packaging, I can with this one. However, these are not designed to come out of the package, and if you force them to come out, you could break them and not get them back in, which is what happened when I took out my Cinnabon huge cinnamon roll. As you see, I literally broke the peg off the bottom. So this one is now, like, I'm still going to use it, but for it to go back into the box and fit perfectly, it will not because I broke that off. And then I also took out, what is this one? This is another Jack in a Box. This is the Supreme Croissant. So I took it out as well. It came out pretty easy, and I still have the package that I can put it back in. And then I also took out the cinnamon roll Cinnabons. They came in a very long little thing about that long, so I took them out as well. And on the back of those, they have these little holes that you can kind of put, push it into the container and they stick. But not only did I take these out of the box, I also cut one off. And I did that so that I can use it as part of the dollhouse to make it look like someone is eating a cinnamon roll instead of you just having a row of cinnamon rolls there to work with. So this is how I use my Foodie mini brands in my dollhouse, and why I don't mind duplicates sometimes, because we can use them, with numerous dolls. I now can have 2 dolls that are eating a big old batch of ramen. But also I like being able to use these in different capacities instead of it just being in the box, so I can take them out and use them for other foods. So there you go. So that is it for our opening and unboxing today. So I am really enjoying the Foodie mini brand series. I love the fact that I can have dollhouse food that matches restaurants that I actually eat at. I will say some of these restaurants I don't have in my town, such as Kung Fu Tea. So I think it's a great way to introduce myself to other brands of food and restaurants that are out there. So I am going to hush. Y'all know how much I like to talk, but so far we have been over this unboxing. I've showed you how I take them out of the box for myself so that I can use them in my dollhouse in other imaginative ways of play. And we got some really cute ultra rare items and some additional items we can add to the dollhouse. So this has been Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. Thank you so much for visiting the Curated Dollhouse. And as always, you are always welcome here, and we will be back next week with a whole new video and a whole new concept. Bye, y'all.